Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by today to share with us again. If this is your first time of stopping by our channel, I want to say thank you very much. You are our VIP. Today, I'll be talking on the benefit of exercising, the benefit of exercising. Even in the Bible, in Paul's letter to Timothy, it says, bodily exercise profited a little, but spiritual exercise is profitable unto all things. Spiritual exercise is more profitable. However, today we're talking about bodily exercise, physical exercise, exercising your body for the benefit of physical health. So if you really want to enjoy the fullness of life, enjoy life as much as is available to you, there is no overemphasizing the benefit of physical health. And to enjoy physical health, to be more healthy, to improve on your health, to stay as healthy as possible, even as meals, diets are important, as rest is important, exercise is also very important. If you ask me, I'll put exercise on top of that list, because if you exercise well enough, you can have a better health than somebody who eats well enough. If you exercise well enough, you can have a better health than somebody who rests well enough. However, there have to be a balance of all of this. There have to be a balance of rest, exercise, and diet. If you have them well-rounded, your health, of course, will be very, very good and an enviable one. However, today, like I said, we'll be talking about benefits of exercising. And I'd like to just state 3 benefits. There are numerous benefits of exercising. However, we're sticking with 3 today. First on the list is for your cardiovascular health. Exercise is good for your cardiovascular health. When we say cardiovascular health, what are we referring to? We are referring to the heart, that part of your body that pumps the blood, that part of your body which carries life, that part of your body which carries blood. Cardiovascular exercise is good for the heart. And many times when we say cardiovascular exercise, a lot of people think of running, skipping, cycling, swimming. However, weightlifting is also a very good form of cardiovascular exercise. Any form of movement or stress, of course, reasonable stress, of course, beneficial stress that you put on your body has a push, of course, on your heart, which automatically forces the heart to go outside its comfort zone, to squeeze and flex more. The moment the heart pumps more than usual, it forces the muscle of the heart to exercise. So when you exercise, your heart also exercises. And the benefit of your heart exercising, the benefit of squeezing and expanding your heart beyond the normal state, is it increases the heart health, making your heart muscle more stronger, more flexible. 2, it increases circulation, because as the heart squeezes and pumps more, it improves your heart muscle, which of course it improves your heart strength. It improves its blood circulation. When your heart pumps well, the force of blood flow, of course, will be better than when it is weak. And the most important of these benefits, apart from increasing heart health, in terms of the strength for it to pump blood around, it improves circulation. And the one that is most important to me is it reduces the risk of heart diseases. So if you exercise very well, you keep your heart healthy long enough. You keep sicknesses, diseases away from your heart. You keep your heart healthy and you improve blood circulation. Number 2, it improves the quality of sleep. Remember, we said 3 things to make your life healthy, well-rounded is exercise, rest, which of course sleep comes in, and diet. Exercise, rest, and diet. Exercise, sleep, and diet. So if you exercise well enough, you keep your heart healthy long enough, If you exercise well enough, you keep your heart healthy well enough. If you exercise well enough, you have the advantage of good sleep, which is rest. And sleep is one of the benefits of exercising. And sleep is one of the ingredients for a healthy life. So if you exercise well, you are guaranteed another benefit of sleep. You find that sometimes people work all day, they get home and they find it difficult to sleep. That is where you find people now resorting to a bit of drinking. They start by saying it's a nightcap to get the nerves down before they sleep. And before you know, the volume keeps increasing until it becomes a habit. Or some people go to, get some things to help the nerve calm down apart from drinking. But if you use exercise appropriately, so the second, like I said, another benefit of exercising would be for sleep, improve sleep, improve rest. If you exercise well, if you engage in exercise well, it helps improve the quality of sleep, because after exercising, whether it be running or swimming, weightlifting, you become stressed, as in you become tired. You become tired, not mental stress though, physically tired, which makes it easier to hit the bed and fall asleep without thinking here and there. So exercise improves the quality of sleep. And third on the list will be, of course, this is the one a lot of us should look out for the most. Exercise help increase self-esteem, because when you exercise enough, it gives you that confidence that you're healthy. It gives you that confidence that you look good. There's something about exercising that makes you just walk head high, shoulders square, and you move. You don't feel intimidated by the environment you live in. You don't feel intimidated by anyone standing in front of you. You just do your thing and you're comfortable with yourself the way you are. So exercise, 3 advantages, 3 benefits of exercise that we just touched today is 1, which is of course the most important, your cardiovascular health. 2, it helps quality of sleep. 3, which is the least and the most searched out for, which is self-esteem. Exercise help improve your self-esteem. So go out there and exercise. Go out there, hit the gym, go out there, swim, cycle, keep moving, keep pushing, keep engaging your body for good quality of life and health, and we'll all be happy for it. Thank you for spending this time with me. I appreciate your time, and I say God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you very much. See you again. Ta-da. God bless you.